and welcome to Language Coaching Geneva. Learning a new language is for life, guys, so let's keep improving. The sky is the limit. I am Margot Richmond, the founder of the LCG Language School, and I teach business English in Switzerland. This week, I'm happy to teach you the meaning of the expression to have an edge. To have an edge means to be better. In business, it also means that the company has an advantage over its competitors. In French, it translates as avoir une longueur d'avance. An example would be the business needs to innovate in order to maintain a competitive edge. We'd love to hear your comments, questions, feedback, so please do so in the comment section below. I hope that my video taught you something new today and that you will use it to shine at work ASAP. Don't forget to check out our website, follow us on social media, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I wish you a wonderful weekend and see you next week.